PhatCatswinger goes to Serbia, starring PhatCatswinger. On today's episode, we'll join the guys on their musical adventures in Belgrade and Novi Sad, Serbia. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the adventure of a lifetime.
Okay guys, let's hit it, man. Let's make like Home Alone and get to the next flight. We don't want to miss it. Yeah. Let's get there. Hey, Bill. We can make it. We're gonna make it. Let's do it. Come on, guy. Step it up.
We made it.
And so, off the happy gentlemen went on their journey to the wonderful, wistful world of Belgrade, Serbia, where they would have many, many wonderful adventures.
See you later, America. We'll be back. Bye, America. We made it, everybody. Look.
Videoing you.
Hey, I'm videoing you first. We're videoing each other, man.
Oh, we finally made it to Serbia, man.
Hi, everybody. We made it. We're here in Novi Sad. And you know what? See these guys? We're about to do the sound check. We're very excited about it. It's been a long day of flying. And we're ready to play some music. So let's hit it. You see behind me here? There's the stage. Right here. Nice little square, huh? I lied, that wasn't the stage. The stage is right here. Hey, Marco, you want to see something?
What's up?
You want to see a stage? There it is. Boom.
You talk to the stewardesses, the ladies on the plane. I don't know what you call them.
Sound check time. Serbia style. Bloodshot, this town is really happening, man. There's music everywhere. Check that out. Music back there. Oh, like almost hit me in the head.
On this most excellent of journeys, these happy gentlemen would encounter many trials and tribulations, including the torrential downpour a few hours before going on stage. But they never lost heart. They never gave up hope, and they persevered to the very end.
Going for it. Are you ready for something cool? Look at this. Oh, ho, ho, ho. What do you think? Is that beautiful or what? Well done, guys. Hey, well, stepping out into Novi Sad, are we? Everybody, we're off. Look at that. There's Ace right there. Ace of base. All right. guys, if you got your horns, I want to hear some good warm-ups. I want to hear some B flats, A flats, C sharps.
It's like Fathom earlier.
I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and out, and I know one thing. Now that Mackie, oh, that bomb is back. I wanna tell you what I think you should do. Better lock them doors, call the law, because Mackie's back in town. Look out, old Mackie's a fat cat swinger.
It was a good time.
Yes, sir, man.
We came, we saw, we played, had a wonderful time. We got wet.
Did it.
We
Did it, man.
We did it.
Dude, all the way to the end.
We should tell them the story one day about what happened.
We will eventually tell you the story of all this.
Yeah, we'll do it.
And how it happened.
It's going to take a little bit, so you're going to have to sit down, pull up a chair.
It's a long story. This could be a movie.
It could.
It could be a movie.
But see, this is the perfect place to film a movie, because look.
Actually, it is gorgeous.
Look at everywhere you look is a set. It's like a movie set.
But it's real.
Yeah, it's real. Classic. Look at that. Man, that's unbelievable. Yeah. Hey guys, have a good night.
You have my permission.
Okay guys, look. Here we are in Novi SAD, and I don't even know what's going on right now, man, because me and my brother Abe have been hanging out all night.
All night. As you can see, the sky is blue. And
Dude, it's like morning time.
It's turning daytime.
We're having such a good time. Oh, the bell's ringing.
People are going to church now.
Dude. Yeah, what a great time, man. This is wonderful.
Cheers.
Wow, cheers. Cheers, everybody.
Yes.
Cheers.
This is so beautiful, man.
This is one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen. Look at these guys. I'm not just talking about those guys, though. Look at this. And this. Breathtaking. We're in Belgrade now. See? It's Marco's guitar, isn't it nice? We're by the water. See, there's a band right across the way. Isn't that fun? That is one big riverboat. Pretty cool.
G'day, and welcome to Discovering Beautiful and Exotic Creatures with Jackie Kangaroo. Have you ever wanted to go to the zoo to see a marsupial or other exotic creatures? Well, now you can in the comfort of your own home. Now, sit back, relax, blow the froth off a couple, and join us on today's adventure. So, here we are, deep in the jungles of Serbia. We've got to be quiet though. We don't want to scare off any exotic and strange creatures. Oh, there, off in the distance there. Oh, you guys got to see this. There he is, in his natural habitat. We don't want to disturb him. But isn't he a beauty?
There's an exchange.
Yeah, there we go. There's the money exchange.
All right. The musicians here are so deadly good, man. Check it out. Wow. What do you guys think? Should we hire him for a fat cat?
Yeah, man.
Done.
Gyros? Yeah, oh, you haven't been. Well, it's like a like
Yeah,
a gyro before.
I obviously haven't had it.
The word gyro.
There's another.
Look at dude, Huaraches.
Oh.
Garden.
So here we are at the fortress of Belgrade, where actually at one time the entire town was in there.
Well, we are inside the town.
We're in it.
The wall was protecting us from outsiders. And actually, I believe there was a rival city that you can actually see from the other side of the wall.
Uh-huh. Tennis, anyone? You guys, walking in this area, you risk your life. See, you could easily fall down here. And it's bye birdie in 3 microseconds.
But they have to get us in as a crazy password. What's up, y'all? Hey,
About it for us, you guys. Had a great time in Novi Sad, a great time here in Belgrade. Thanks for joining us on the Fat Cat adventure of a lifetime. On behalf of myself and everybody here at Fat Cat, we are wishing you love, peace, and soul. That's right. See you guys.